The entrepreneurial spirit is this idea that you're constantly thinking about ways to do things better.
Kevin Liles, who is the head of the Make It Happen Foundation, wanted to introduce something that would invite talented kids into thinking about possible careers in business.
One of my goals was to have an academy during the summer where we have the opportunity to engage with students, and particularly local students.
We're hosting 16 of the area's best and brightest rising sophomores and juniors from Durham, Wake, Chatham, and Orange counties.
The whole marketing and business plans have always kind of intrigued me on, how to form that and how to do the proposal to like a board of directors. So I think that's going to be actually kind of fun.
The idea is just to have the students walk away with information and excited about what they've learned.
Intuitively, they understand. What we're trying to do is bring some of the formal definitions together and then getting them to think more deeply and to bring out of them what's already inside of them, which is the potential to be great leaders.
What is leadership? So that's our question.
And these are things that they understand intellectually, and we're trying to get them to experience it so that they walk away with a deeper understanding, and moreover, so they can put it all together and say, aha, okay, that's business.
So I pretty much learned how to actually get my information together.
I need to know what the different aspects of a business are so then I can properly address each one when it comes to making it and when it comes to proposing the idea.
I'm going to tell you what's going on in the music industry.
And then as they are drawn into the case and start working through it, they begin to realize these are serious business issues.
2 Key & Live will probably be more popular than CDs, but at the same time, CDs will still be a source of revenue.
Do you think about trying to do some sort of promotion with online purchase as well, because most of them are already downloading and using the music online, so it seems like a large part of the segment already does that. As you're seeing, your CD sales are going to keep shrinking, and maybe CDs have seen their day.
One of the things that Kevin articulated is this is a wonderful incubator, if you will, to actually start entrepreneurial hubs on the campuses of HBCUs across the country.
From this day forth, the company you work for is you. Every single day you wake up, everything matters.
This program will be successful if the students walk away understanding the amazing opportunities in business.
Young people rule the world. Everything changes because of young people. And hopefully we'll give you the tools to make it happen for yourself.